Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create this red glitter eye look. This look is perfect for Christmas or New Year's. And yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create this look, then just please keep watching. Okay, so I already did one eye off of camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C3, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics flat brush, and it looks like this. You can use any flat brush you have, it doesn't specifically have to be this one. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just outline the bottom of my eyebrow using the concealer, and with the rest of the concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. I just use this small blending brush just to blend in the concealer into my eyelid. I'm going to take this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to dip into the shade You're Kidding from the Morphe x James Charles palette. Once you have that red shade down, I'm going to go ahead and take a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and it looks like this. And I'm going into the Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and I'm just going to use the shade Bare. And it's just a really neutral shade. I just really needed a transition shade to transition from the red. I'm just going to start doing really small circular motions and blend those two shades together. Now I'm gonna go back into the red shade, and I'm using a really small and precise brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and re-intensify that red. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go back into the shade Bare, and I'm going to further blend those shadows. Okay, so this look is really just about going back and forth with your shadows. So I'm gonna go back in for the last time to that red shade, and I'm gonna just make sure that it looks as vibrant as possible. I'm gonna use my Luxie brush one more time, and with no product, I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure everything is blended out. Once everything's blended out, I'm gonna go in with this flat brush. It's from Aliexpress. I got it in my Boxy Charm. I don't know if some of y'all might have got it. And I'm taking that same concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease all the way to the end back here. Once I've cut my crease, I'm gonna go back into the Morphe x James palette, and I'm gonna use this shade So Good on a flat brush. You can use any flat brush you have. And I'm actually gonna spray a little bit with my setting spray just to intensify it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off of camera because I really do have to be close to my mirror and you won't be able to see what I'm doing. I'm sorry about that. But if you guys want an eyeliner tutorial, just please let me know and I'll figure out a way to record that and upload that for you guys. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just realized I wasn't recording the part where I added the glitter, but all I did was add some gold glitter. You can use any gold glitter you have, and I used my NYX glitter glue as well. So I did my other eyebrow off of camera and I put on my other eyelash. The eyelashes I'm using are from Aliexpress. I'm not sure the exact style they're in. I will look that up for you guys and have it down in the description below. For my first primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm just going to go ahead and dot this all over my face. Next, I'm using the Bye Bye Pores Primer by It Cosmetics, and it looks like that. Mine's really dirty, but last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox primer water. Looks like that. I'm gonna use my favorite foundation at the moment, and it's the Loreal Infallible Pro Matte. I'm in the shade 105. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this under my eyes. For cream contour, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm using my MAC 170 brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over the areas I want to contour. To set my concealer and my cream contour, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair Light and my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm going to use a flat brush to wipe off all the excess powder I have on my face, and I'm using the BH Cosmetics one, number 2. Looks like this. Okay, for blush, I'm using the Note Desert Rose blush. Looks like that. And I'm using a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. For highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Illuminati, and I'm taking that in a Morphe M501 brush. For lips, I'm going to go in with the Jante Blue Lip Pencil in the shade Brown Sugar, and I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go back in to the red I used in the beginning, and I'm gonna just put that right underneath. Alright, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!